Hi Ben, Craig here. So now I'm going to show you how to add new products to the shop. Now, I really only want to show you how to make simple products. So I better explain the difference between simple products and variable products. We'll start by looking at the lunch menu. All of these are simple products. Everything here in the lunch menu, all of these items, they're all simple products. Now let's have a look at a variable product. Bacon and egg roll, buttered toast, these are variable products. That's because they have variations. Okay? Now let's have a look at some complex variable products. Coffee being a prime example, or tea. These are very complex variable products. I'm not going to show you right now how to do that. That's a whole different thing. All right, but adding simple products, like adding products like any of these products on the lunch menu, very, very simple to do. So let's do that. So obviously you need to be logged in. Right now I'm logged in as Craig, logged in as an admin. From here, I could press here, new product. Okay, that's one way. The other way is when you're logged in on the back end in the dashboard, under products, you could always come to here. You can always see all the products that are here. Notice too the categories. We've got coffee and drinks for this category. This one's in the dinner category. If we looked at all the items, there's even a dinner category. It's just we can't see that on the front end. So I'm waiting for you to say, we want dinner back, and I'll put that back in. So at the moment, dinner's still here. It's just that most people won't be able to see it, and they won't be able to book for it either, because I haven't added that option in. All right, but from here, under the products, we could always go add new. So it's the same from the front end or the same from the back end. If you're creating a new product, you'd add new. Now let's create a new lunch product. We'll call it a sandwich, okay? Here you put in the description. Tasty, yummy sandwich with lettuce, something like that, right? Then you've got to click on the category so that it knows which menu to put it in. So here's the product category over here. This is a lunch item. Okay. Finally, it needs a price. We'll make this $3. Now, just to show you where that is again. So here we've got the title. Notice how it's already put in a permalink here of sandwich. Permalink's not so important, but it's good to be aware of down the track when we get more advanced with stuff. The first time you make a permalink, it's always based on the title. But say if we change the title to lettuce, sandwich with lettuce, right? It's probably a good idea to copy this and paste it in here and press OK. All right, it's just the nature. I don't want to get into that too much. It's a bit technical, but that's just how it works, okay? It's a good practice to do that. Now here, under product data, somehow I've accidentally closed this window, but really all I need there is the price. Make sure that the category is lunch, and then we press publish. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, I could show you how to put the picture in there. The picture is generally here under product image, but in order for the product image to look good, I always follow a rule of making it square. See how that's 750 by 750? Everything's square. If it's not all square, it's just a mess. Don't even worry. So that's probably why I'll probably need to do the images for you to make sure that they're all square so that everything looks neat and tidy. Okay? So let's just have a look at this product. Here we can see sandwich with lettuce. It doesn't have an image, so we just got the blank image there. Maybe I should put the Bar Cupola logo there. Anyway, that's for another day. Let's look at the lunch menu and see if sandwich with lettuce comes up. Yes, sandwich with lettuce does come up, see? And there's the $3. All right, let's just edit that, sandwich with lettuce. again, we might say that it's sandwich with lettuce and tomato. And we might change the price of it to $3.50. All right. Now, the permalink, okay, the permalink still says what it is, sandwich with lettuce. If you really want, copy that, edit here, paste in here, and press OK. Again, this is more technical. Don't really worry too much, but just press update. And now it's updated. We can view the product. If we go down to make an order and look on the lunch menu orders, we'll see that it's now sandwich with lettuce and tomato, and it's now $3.50. All right, now what happens if we change the category? Let's show you that part. All right, let's change it from lunch to breakfast and press update. All right, now when we view the product again, we still see the same product, but now if we go to the breakfast menu, we'll see that we now have sandwich with lettuce and tomato. But if we go to the lunch menu, it's no longer there. Okay? So finally, because we don't really want this product anymore, we'll just go to the product, sandwich with lettuce and tomato, and to get rid of it, we just press edit product up here, and then we could press move to trash. I'm not going to move it to the trash right now because I just want to show you one more thing. So now we're on the back end, and the other option is we can view all the products here. So if we go to sandwich with lettuce and tomato, we could just trash it directly from here. Be aware that when you trash something, it puts it into the trash can. But it's not completely gone yet. No one can see it. It's private. But until we press empty trash, it's still there. And I kind of like to clean up loose ends. If we don't need something, it's better off being deleted. Get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. It makes the website as fast as it can be. While we're talking about website being as fast as it can be, you're probably aware that you are on the value plan of our hosting. Let's just, where are we? Website hosting. So yeah, you're on the value plan, and the value plan is great. It's, you know, $160 a year. It provides good value. But you may want to consider going up to the business class hosting, which is slightly faster and slightly more secure. So I just thought I'd point that out, because now you're an e-commerce site. It does make a little bit more sense to be on business class hosting when you're on e-commerce. Of course, you can always stick with this. That's fine. It all depends on your budget. But the reason why we've got this different range of packages for hosting and everything is because the services are scalable, and although we like to provide options for every budget, if your budget can support this extra cost, it will actually have advantages for your website and advantages for your customers, because things work slightly faster. And yeah, I could get into more detail about that. If you're interested, let me know and we can discuss that a little bit more. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.